Hey guys, welcome back. Today, let's take a look at the Mi Power Bank 2i with 20,000 mAh battery. If you want more like this, make sure you are subscribed and enable the bell icon. Let's get started. This is the packaging of the power bank. On the front, there are the Mi logo, tagline, the name of the power bank, some highlights, a picture and a Made in India logo. On the back of the box, there are the specifications. As you can see, the price written here is 1999 rupees. But that's MRP. The power bank is available for 1499 rupees. Out of the box, we get the power bank, a micro USB cable, and a user manual. The design is very minimal. The front side has a Mi branding on the bottom middle. The left side is clean and there is the power button on the right side. There is a texture finish all over the body. The top has 2 USB ports, 1 micro USB port and 4 LED indicators. And we are not getting the Type-C port. The first thing you will notice when you pick it is its weight. It is 430 grams. And the dimensions are on the screen. The power bank supports two-way fast charging, that is, you can charge your phones at 18 watt and the power bank itself too. The 2i need more than 6 hours to completely charge on 18 watt fast charging and 10 hours on normal charging, and it has 9-layer circuit protection. The 2i is a good device that can act as a regular everyday portable charger, but it's ideal for long trips, and it's definitely worth the price. It is the best power bank you can get in such a price. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and share to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos on the screen. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.